Hello, how are you today? I hope you're well. I'm good, thank you. And as always, it's a pleasure making videos for you. Right, welcome back to my channel. And this is a giveaway today for my subscribers. Now, it's a very simple giveaway. And what I am giving away is this Happy Birthday Designs scrapbook kit. I have 20 of them, and the first 20 subscribers to email me, you can find my email address on my About Me page. The first 20 to email me and leave your address, I will post them out to you. Right, so what it is, it consists of one sticker sheet, which is this. It's got the cake and the gift box with the ribbons and a happy birthday on there, balloons, party hat. So you've got one of those. And then you have 4 design paper sheets, which are this one, a happy birthday, and another happy birthday. Okay. And then you have 9 sheets of die cut shapes, frames and borders. So you've got, very pretty this is. One goes that way. And you've got the square one. And you have the gift box with the ribbons. And the party hat. That's cute. You have the big cake. Okay. Another gift box with the ribbons. And Coca-Cola tin. And then you have the 2 borders. So, as I said, it's as simple as that. What I'd like you to do is the first 20 subscribers to my channel that emails me, the email address is on my About Me page, and to email me and leave your address, I will send them out to you. So thanks very much, and really it's just to say thank you. You've been a great sport for subscribing to my channel and supporting me, so thank you very much for that. I'll catch you real soon. Bye for now.